here today making a centerpiece for our dining room table. One of the things that we need to do is clean the flowers. Now this is called a Peruvian lily or Alstroemeria, and the leaves turn brown very quickly. So we try to remove all of the leaves from the flowers, and so that they don't, so we only have the flowers left, and that way your centerpiece will look nicer longer. If you leave the leaves on, they'll turn dark before the flowers ever fade. So you want to remove all the little flowers. I mean all the little leaves. Now after we've taken off all the leaves, now we're going to cut the flowers loose from the stem, and I'm only going to take the flowers and we're going to poke them into our centerpiece. Now these are not very open, but these Peruvian lilies open up so beautifully and add so much color and texture to our flower arrangement that we're just going to put them as many places as we can, so that when they open, they will be big and beautiful. A few more of those, and we should be ready to add other flowers.